Greetings, people, folks, and space aliens. I have my helmet today. Yesterday I was at West Marion and didn't have my helmet. Duh. I'm not even sure how I forgot it or why I took it out of the car, but okay. So today we're going to dun 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 dun. Something new is up here. Caution. No, it's the same old, same old. We're gonna try to ride out the wooden features. With the exception of the skinnies, if I fall off a wooden feature, I have to start over again. So the big one is going to be the log ends. I know I can do it. I know I can do it. I know I can do it. Whee! But that one, and that one skinny, the first skinny, I would like to be able to do that. As far as the other skinnies go. And this one up here, just like right here, right? Yeah. This thing is a fiddle stick. Right here. Look, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but it did it. One guy behind me. And the problem with this log ends is it's in a uphill area. Yeah, it's right up here. I can do it. Log here. I can do this. Yes, I can. I can stay on this. Yes. Oh, yeah! I actually did it. Oh. Yeah. What you gotta do is you gotta come way up here. Like this. Offline. I got major thrown off. These do count. Yes, these do. Whoa! Almost didn't make it. Wow. Oh. Just when I think I'm really good. Oops, maybe not. This is the Focus series right here. This is super easy. You can get off right there if you want to. And then this one requires a little bit of oomph. Okay, here we go. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Oh, yeah. I've never done that end part. This skinny doesn't count. Yeah. Okay. And then oh boy. That's not like a big. I feel a little bit off. That rocker, but not too bad. Yeah. So far, so good. We gotta do this big rock. I didn't do the worst part of it. So there's a new skinny back there that I forgot about. I didn't do that one. So I'm not 100%, but I'm not turning back quite yet. Now, if I can make most of these, I'll be good. Yep. Okay. Now, I know they did some work on this, so I'm not sure. Yep. Okay. So this is the same as it was. Skills part. Let's do the real easy stuff first. This is the little kid stuff here. Okay. Now into the bigger stuff. Get the camera rolling, I think. Some of this. Right at your owners. The level 3 would you jump off this at some point in time, which I think is completely doable. that big of a deal, really. They got some washouts here. You know, these are just all about the speed. Getting your speed. Okay, so this is round one. It's almost done. Yes, you have to do the rocks. Yeah. Okay. Two. I'm not really sure. Man, it's really washed out. Oh, and I gotta do the rocks too. Okay. I'm gonna turn around and do the rocks and then come back around. I'm not really sure if there's a right way and a wrong way of these. I'm trying to ride all the wood, but I'm gonna ride these two. It's a little bit goofy. Once you're on it, it's actually pretty sweet. And then the next level is to do this. Kids, don't try this at home. So, I get them. Okay, that's one. The hardest, I think this is the hardest feature here. You really have to commit. Stay on it. Oh! Ha! All right, jump time. It's actually pretty easy. You just roll this. No big deal. The one that really scares me is the second to next one. Actually, no, I got logs. I got some logs to do, I think. I didn't do this last time. I knew there was something else new here. So I got one new feature. That's bonus. And I think I'm coming into where I turn off and do the, right here. Turn off and do the, I guess it's a, pretty easy. All right, now we're doing the difficult. Oh, here we go. This thing's kind of spooky, but it's not too bad. Get up on it and roll off of it. There we go. Nice and easy. And then after that, we got Rock City. There we go. This is the death skinny, I think. Do my best. Get up on it. Whoa, right at the very end. When I don't have it on, this is the next insert. Death Rock Garden, not a big deal. Just find your line and follow through. Ha! And then you gotta get into like an easy gear. I think the next wooden features are here. Yeah, right here. I have never been able to do this one. I did it. Bonus points. Late. I never know where it is. Oh, this back section, I got everything on. Easy. On this section, I think I got everything too. I think it's a few drops here and there. I think besides this big long thing that I'm going to go on, it's just a light rain and nothing that's going to make me, whoa, I felt like I lost it there for a second. Watch yourself, So that was, I cannot believe how successful round 1 was. Now, of course, I got to go back and do everything, skinnies included. I might take off.